AI innovations follow each other at lightning speed. I'm here with Depa. You're the Global Chief Innovation Officer at EY, and you talk to many clients about the latest trends in AI. What is hot at the moment? What's really a trend?
I tell you right now, everybody's talking about agentic AI.
Mm-hmm.
And so how do we move from generative AI to the agentic AI of the future?
And what is agentic AI? Because many people still don't know it, although for us it's almost a word that we've learned 4 months ago, and it's terminology we know, but not everybody knows.
So the world's moving really fast.
Yeah.
And when I think about generative AI, which was introduced a couple of years ago, large language models allow you to answer questions with a large language model. So you can ask a question and you get an answer.
Yeah.
That's really advanced technology. But now we're moving to a world where you don't just ask a question, you actually get the agent, the agentic AI, to do the work.
Correct.
So it's about completing the action.
In a workflow. So it's not only just one action, but it can execute multiple workflows to get the task done.
That's right.
Which is an amazing innovation, but also has all kinds of challenges. So agentic AI is hot, but what do companies and people need to do to get success out of agentic AI?
Absolutely. It's a very complicated technology. And so there's really 3 keys to success for agentic AI. First is, it's all about the data and creating a strong data foundation. Sometimes we say garbage in, garbage out, or rubbish in, rubbish out. So you need to make sure your data is really, really strong to leverage agentic AI. That's number 1. Number 2 is creating a responsible AI trusted ecosystem, meaning how do you trust the data and how do I trust the agents to act ethically, to be secure, and to be in compliance with local rules and regulations. And the third is what I call the innovation muscle. So organizations, even if you have great technology, if nobody's using it, it doesn't matter. So we want to have the right people, the right processes, the right change management, the right training so that organizations can adapt agentic AI in the future.
I like the innovation muscle term. If we look to, let's say, garbage in, garbage out, I would even say exponential garbage out, because it's repeating many times if the data is not right. So that makes it interesting. Maybe we can dive a little bit more into some details and examples. Let's go inside and talk about this. So, Joe, if we look to all your clients, how do they define their AI strategy? What is your experience with that?
So there's 3 components of the strategy. One is, how do you help create a data layer that's what we call AI-ready data, which actually includes AI. So how do we use AI to help shape the data foundation? That's step 1. It includes synthetic data and then master data management. So that's one thing we're helping our clients with. The second is, how do we help create a responsible AI orchestration layer? That includes both our assurance business, which is helping to certify the agentic agents of the future. We have to treat them almost like humans, right? So they have to be onboarded, they have to be certified, and they have to be retired for the agents of the future. And then the third is, how does clients look at emerging technology in the next frontier? So clients are asking, what else is coming? What's next? What about quantum? What about cyber AI? What about blockchain? What about crypto? And so what we're helping our clients think through is, how do you make sure that you don't get caught flat-footed on the next wave of growth?
So you're responsible for almost 400,000 people at EY for the AI innovation. How do you apply it at EY yourself?
That's right. So at EY, we have 400,000 people. We have over 1 trillion lines of financial data annualized annually. We have over 50% of the Fortune 500 companies' data. So we have a massive data set and we have a lot of people. And so one of the things that we really have to focus on is something we call EY Client Zero. And so we want to make sure we're leveraging data and AI and a responsible AI mechanism for everything that we do. One example I'll give you is we've got something called EYQ, which is our large language model we've created for all of our employees, 400,000 employees, so they can actually access and use our large language model to help them do their job more efficiently. We've got over 115,000 monthly users on that platform now. It's one of the largest private LLM networks around the world. And what we found is the people that use that technology, they actually enjoy it. Their engagement scores are higher, the retention is higher. And so we have employees that are using the new technology with AI and they're happier with their jobs, which I think is a really phenomenal opportunity for many of our clients. Secondly, we've got foundational training that we do for all 400,000 employees. All of our employees around the world have to take AI training that gets refreshed on a quarterly basis. And I think that's really critical to keep our employees at the tip of the spear when it comes to delivering AI for our clients.
It's amazing how many people are already working with it. So when did you start with it? Because I think you were a very early adapter with this.
That's right. So we invested about $1.4 billion a few years ago in AI, which includes our EYQ solution, as well as talent and training. That's been absolutely critical to build that foundation. Because if we look at AI today, we have have to make sure our employees are trained not just for now, but what's coming next and what's in the future of growth.
And what's the tip for our audience? How to get started and how to stay on top?
Always be learning. So that's one of the things that we often tell our clients, but also our own teams, is you always have to be learning and challenging yourself, because the next technology is coming. We may not know what it is, but it's coming, and you need to be ready and prepared for that.
And it's going very fast.
It's going very fast. The speed of change will never be the same.
So thanks a lot. Great insights. And thank you for watching here, the UI booth at Mobile World Congress in Barcelona.
Thank you.
Thank you.